Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about parasitic adaptations of Fasciola. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So in our previous lectures, we have talked about Fasciola. And we have seen that it is a parasite and lives in the liver. So it must have some adaptations in order to survive in the body of the host. There are different types of adaptations, such as structural adaptation, and then physiological adaptation, and reproductive adaptation, as well as behavioral adaptations. So we will talk about them one by one. First one is structural adaptation. Okay. Tegument. The flukes tegument, that is the outer covering of the parasite, protects it from the host's digestive enzymes and immune response, while still allowing the absorption of nutrients directly from the host's bile. So, the digestive enzymes of hosts have lytic activities, lytic activities, um, and its immunity will also have the defensive roles. But the parasite has a specifically adapted outer covering which protects it from them, and it doesn't inhibit to absorb the nutrients directly from the host's bile since it survives in the bile of the host. Next is sucker. So Fasciola has two suckers, an oral and a ventral sucker, which are well developed and provide it firm attachment with the host tissue. Many cuticular spines over its body along with suckers ensure it remains attached even in the fluid filled and constantly moving environment. So it has two suckers and the cuticle has many spine-like structures. Since they move through the bile duct, it is a fluid-filled duct. They need to be attached within the host body. Suckers help them. Next is their flat and leaf-like body. Its body is dorso-ventrally flattened, leaf-shaped, which increases surface area of the body for increased nutrient absorption. So dorso-ventrally flattened means the dorsal or back side and the ventral or front side of the body both are flattened, leaf-shaped. And this flat structure will always increase the surface area, and that will increase the absorption rate or absorption power, nutrient absorption power. Okay, next is the physiological adaptation. Anaerobic respiration. Living in the bile ducts, which are oxygen poor environments, Fasciola has adapted to anaerobic respiration. So they have anaerobic respiration because the bile duct itself does not have oxygen and they survive in the oxygen poor environment. That's why they have adapted to anaerobic respiration. Next is reproductive adaptation. High reproductive rate. Fasciola produces a large number of eggs, increasing the chances of survival and transmission. Since they release eggs in the environment through feces, many of them get destroyed. Hence, they produce a high amount of eggs so that at least few of them get the chance to survive. Next is hermaphrodism. So, being hermaphrodite, Fasciola can reproduce both by cross-fertilization and self-fertilization, increasing its chances of reproduction. They are hermaphrodite, that means they are bisexual. So they undergo both cross and self-fertilization, which indeed increases the chance of fertilization. Okay. Complex life cycle. Since adult fluke lives in the body of the sheep, Hence, it may die with the death of the ship. Therefore, there is a need of intermediate host for the transference of the parasite from one host to the other, so that its race may be continued. Hence, snail is the intermediate host in this case. Then it is behavioral adaptation. Insistment. The metacardial larval stage insists on vegetation. This cyst protects the parasite in the external environment and ensures survival until ingested by a new host. So they have the hard cyst, that is a protective structure that helps them to survive in the external environment. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.